You've got the skills, you've got the drive, and you've just found a job posting that sounds like it was written for you. But here's the truth. So have hundreds, maybe even thousands of other applicants. So how do you stand out when everyone is shouting,
Pick me. Choose me.
In today's world, a resume isn't enough. You need to go beyond words and bring your skills to life. And that's where a portfolio comes in. It's not just a document, it's your career's highlight reel. Hi everyone, welcome to Pivot. I'm Kritika, and today we're diving into the art of building a portfolio that doesn't just get you noticed, it gets you hired. From the must-have elements that work across all portfolios to building role-specific ones and even building a no-code portfolio website, we've got you covered. And if career growth is your thing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are here every week with tips to help you land, change, or grow the career of your dreams. Let's start with the basics. What makes a portfolio stand out from just a collection of files? Whether you're a writer, a designer, or a data scientist, the formula is simple. Proof over promises. Show, don't tell. Here's what every great portfolio has in common, no matter the field: clear structure. Think of your portfolio as a storybook about you. Every chapter builds the narrative of your professional journey. A great portfolio is easy to navigate. So divide it into sections like About Me, a brief introduction of who you are, what you do, and what drives you. Projects, the heart of your portfolio. This is where you showcase your skills and results. Contact, a simple way for potential employers to reach you, whether that's an email, LinkedIn, or even a calendar link for a chat. Next, lead with your best work. Your portfolio has one chance to grab attention. Start with the work that you're most proud of, the kind that makes hiring managers stop and think, I want to know more. For example, if you're a writer, highlight a piece that went viral or has measurable results. If you're a designer, showcase a project that solved a big user problem with elegant solutions. Your hook matters. Make that first impression count. And then add context to your work. Every project in your portfolio should tell a story. What was the problem? Did you design a website to improve conversion rates? Write content to grow traffic? What was your role? Be specific. Did you lead, collaborate, or execute independently? And finally, what was the impact? Numbers make all the difference. Recruiters love seeing the why and the how behind the what. This context makes your work relatable and impressive. You can also make your portfolio visually engaging. And for that, you don't need to be a graphic designer. You can incorporate elements like screenshots of your work, whether it's a website, dashboard, or article, graphs or charts that illustrate results, especially if you're in data-heavy fields like marketing or analytics. Mockups or prototypes if you're showcasing creative or product design work. And hey, if the idea of starting from scratch feels overwhelming, check out the templates that we've linked in the description below. These are beginner-friendly, customizable, and designed to make your portfolio shine. Remember, there is no limit on the creativity that you put into your portfolio. Check out Bruno Simon's portfolio, for example. It's a fun video game. Move around to explore their projects, past work, and more. You've got plenty of options to choose for where and how to build your portfolio, and each one has its perks. The key is to choose a format that works for your field, your style, and your level of experience. Website portfolios are a game changer for creative professionals and anyone looking to establish a strong online presence. Here's why they work. Customization. You can fully control the look and feel to reflect your personal brand. Professionalism. A custom domain name like yourname.com adds an extra layer of credibility. Versatility. Easily showcase multiple media types, images, videos, animations, or written content. Here are a couple of tools that you can try. Wix or Squarespace. These are beginner-friendly drag and drop tools that make designing your website a breeze. WordPress is a bit more advanced, but perfect if you want ultimate control and scalability. Think of your website as your digital storefront. It's not just a portfolio, it's your personal brand's headquarters. Not everyone wants to deal with website hosting or design from scratch, and that's okay. No-code platforms are here to save the day. Why choose no-code? Quick setup with no coding required. And these are great for structured, minimalist portfolios. Your best options are to go with Notion, which is a super versatile and clean platform with templates for different roles. You can also go for Canva, which is ideal for visually driven portfolios. I personally love Notion. It lets you add links, text, images, and even interactive elements that let you create a truly unique portfolio. It's a fan favorite among remote workers and freelancers for its simplicity and functionality. Moreover, it lets you share your portfolio like a website without hosting and for free. The platform is just a frame. Your work, now that's the real art. So focus on making that art unforgettable. One size doesn't fit all when it comes to portfolios. While some elements are universal, how you present your work should align with your specific role. Let's dive into how you can tailor your portfolio for maximum impact in 4 different fields. For UI UX designers, your portfolio isn't just a showcase, it's a design experience in itself. Hiring managers aren't looking just for the final product, they also want to understand your thought process and how you solve problems creatively. Here's what you can include: wireframes and prototypes. Show the evolution of your ideas from rough sketches to polished designs. User personas can be used to highlight your understanding of user needs by sharing detailed personas that you've developed. Share before and after redesigns. Demonstrate the impact of your work by showcasing old designs alongside your improved versions. And finally, don't forget to add case studies. Walk through a project from start to finish, outlining the problem, your approach, and the results. Use visuals and concise text to make it engaging. Platforms like Behance or Dribbble are great for showcasing your visual design skills and networking with other professionals. For complete control, consider building your own portfolio website. It is the ultimate playground for creativity. And if you need more inspiration, check out this video that is linked in the description below, where 2 industry experts teach you how to make a design portfolio perfectly. For writers, it's not just about what you write, it's also about how your writing performs. Employers want to see variety, creativity, and measurable results. Here's what you can include: a range of samples. Include blogs, which could be educational or thought leadership pieces, for example, or website copy, which could be landing pages or product descriptions. And don't forget to include email campaigns and social media posts if you have any. Also include performance data, which means you can include metrics like increased website traffic by 30% with this blog, or achieved 40% open rates for this email campaign. You can also add client testimonials. Even one positive quote can add a lot of credibility. Mock projects are important if you're starting out. Create a blog post for your dream company or rewrite an existing ad campaign to showcase your creativity. In data science, numbers speak louder than words. Your portfolio should highlight your ability to turn raw data into actionable insights. Here's what you can include in your data science portfolio: personal projects. Showcase analysis that you've done on publicly available datasets. For example, creating COVID-19 trends or creating a recommendation engine. You can use GitHub for your code and Tableau Public for interactive dashboards. For web developers and software engineers, your portfolio is not just about showcasing the final product. It's about demonstrating your technical expertise and problem-solving ability. Employers want to see how you approach coding challenges, build scalable systems, and deliver functional solutions. Personal projects. Build projects that solve real-world problems. For instance, a personal blog platform, an e-commerce site, or a productivity app. Show the code behind these projects, which can be hosted on GitHub, to demonstrate your coding skills. You can also include code samples. Share well-documented code snippets that highlight your proficiency with different programming languages. Use case studies. Walk through the entire development process of a project: planning, coding, testing, and deployment. Highlight your decision-making process and the challenges you overcame. Show how your work contributed to improving website speed, performance, or user experience. Demonstrate your tech stack as well. List the technologies and frameworks you are proficient in, such as React, Node.js, Django, Ruby on Rails, etc. Show how you have applied these technologies in projects. Last but not least, do put your collaborative projects in your portfolio. If you've contributed to open source projects, feature them in your portfolio to highlight your ability to collaborate and your commitment to the tech community. Include details about your contributions and the impact they had on the project. Want to take your portfolio from good to unforgettable? Here's how. Make it interactive. Add clickable links, live demos, or videos. You can also tailor it to the job that you're applying for. Focus on quality rather than quantity. Highlight 5 to 7 standout projects. Keep it fresh with your latest achievements. Your portfolio is your career's first impression, so make it memorable. And remember, no matter your experience or your role, it's never too early or too late to start building one. Let me know your questions in the comments below and hit subscribe for more career changing topics like these. See you next week.